XM is one of the most talked about retail brokers in the world. Huge client numbers, tiny minimum deposits, and big marketing. But is XM actually a reliable place to trade your money, or a trap hidden behind shiny ads and bonuses? Today, I'll show you the real numbers, the one live test you must run before funding, and exactly what trader types should and should not use XM. Welcome to NextGen Traders community. Trade smart, leave bold. Your shortcut to mastering the markets starts now. This video is for educational purposes and not financial advice. Trading CFDs carries risk. You can lose money. XM Group is a long-established global Forex and CFD broker known for very low minimum deposits, strong educational resources, and broad market access. It supports MT4 and MT5, offers multiple account types, and provides a large instrument library that suits beginners and many active retail traders. In this review, I'll break down products, platforms, accounts, funding, trust, and customer experience, and explain what matters for your trading style. XM lists a broad lineup. Majors and minors in Forex indices, commodities like oil and gold, stock CFDs, and crypto exposure depending on entity. XM advertises 400 plus instruments, which is excellent for multi-asset traders who want to keep everything in one account. Important point, instrument availability varies by the legal entity and account package, so don't assume every symbol is active until you check inside your demo or live account. If you need specific exotic stocks or local market CFDs, confirm availability before you deposit. XM relies heavily on the MetaTrader ecosystem, MT4 and MT5, plus an XM-branded web mobile experience. That's good. MetaTrader gives powerful charting, EA compatibility, and EA automation for MT5. But if you were hoping for a modern proprietary desktop with TradingView level UI everywhere, XM leans on MetaTrader instead. My practical tip, if you plan to run EAs or complicated multi-time frame setups, test the exact MT5 built-in demo for your entity execution settings, and symbol lists can vary. XM's retail minimums are famously low. In many jurisdictions, XM accepts as little as $5 to open a standard account, making it one of the easiest brokers for new traders to start with. They also offer micro accounts and swap-free options for eligible clients. But pro accounts and certain features require higher balances and KYC checks, so be clear on your needs before choosing. XM typically offers commission-free standard accounts where the broker earns from spreads. They also run a tighter spread option in some regions, XM 0 or similar, which pairs lower spreads with a per-lot commission. Independent comparisons show XM's retail spreads are generally competitive. Majors often land in the sub-1 pip range in normal market conditions, and some sources list spreads as low as 0.6, 0.8 pips on EUR/USD in certain account types. If you're a scalper or ultra-high-frequency trader chasing raw pip edges, an ECN specialist may still beat XM's best offer. Also factor in overnight swap charges for position traders and possible differences by entity. Deposits and withdrawals. XM supports cards, bank transfers, and e-wallets in many countries, and multiple reviews praise quick withdrawals in certain regions. But rollout and speed depend on your local entity and payment rails. Run this live trust test before you scale. 1. Verify your account fully. 2. Deposit a small amount, say $20, $50, or the local minimum. 3. Immediately request a withdrawal of the same amount. 4. Time the process and note whether they ask repeatedly for the same documents. If the funds return in a few business days and the process is smooth, that's a green light. If withdrawals stall or you are asked repeatedly for identical documents, consider that a red flag and pause funding until it's resolved. XM is regulated across multiple entities, for example SISEC in the EU and other registrations depending on where you open the account. Multi-jurisdiction regulation and long operating history support a high trust score, but protections differ by entity, regulatory coverage, investor compensation, and leverage limits are not the same everywhere. Always verify which legal entity is responsible for your account when you sign up. XM is strong on education, webinars, in-house research, and wide language support. Many traders praise fast responses in big markets. But global mixed feedback also exists. While many report instant withdrawals and responsive support, others complain about account restrictions or bonus terms disputes. My practical test: open live chat before you fund. Ask 2 questions. How long do withdrawals take to my country? And what are the bonus withdrawal conditions? If the answer is quick and precise, that's a good sign. If answers are vague or delayed, treat that as a caution. XM often runs promotions and a loyalty program in some regions, plus it's friendly to small minimum accounts and beginner traders thanks to the low deposit threshold and education. Remember, higher leverage comes with more risk. Some bonus accounts carry strings and withdrawal conditions, and product availability and terms vary by legal entity. If you're trading long-term positions, check swap rates carefully. XM is a very solid broker for beginners and retail traders who want low minimums, MetaTrader support, lots of instruments and strong education. The ratings reflect that reality. If you're a pro scalper chasing the absolute lowest raw spreads and the tightest ECN execution, short ECN specialists, otherwise XM is a practical, trustworthy choice for most retail strategies. Do your live deposit withdrawal test first and scale slowly.
Trading journey doesn't stop here.
Get free tutorials, market news and trading signals on Telegram at NextGen Traders.
Follow us on X and earn certificates at nextgentraders.com.
Need the right broker?
Head to nextgenbrokers.com.
Subscribe, like and join the NextGen Traders community where traders grow together. Produced with AI video technology. Content is for educational purposes only. Subscribe for weekly market insights and trading mindset strategies.